Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name is Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I have my February BoxyCharm. So I figured I would jump on real quick, show you what I got, as well as give you a little information on the products as well as the box. Now, we're going to try to do this today. I have no glasses on, and it's going to be interesting. We're going to see. Hopefully you guys like this. I'm going to try to do these videos a little bit more. Now, I do need glasses, but I think I can manage, so we're going to see. This might be a win or it might be a fail. We'll see. So let's get to it. Now, I do get the base box, which is $25 a month, and they promise you 4 to 5 full-size products. It can be makeup, skincare, hair care. It just kind of all depends. So let's get to it. The theme for February is XOXO. On the back of the card, it does list all the products I got along with the full-size price. Size, the retail value. It's Friday. Let's get to it. So the first thing I got is from Glamour. This is the Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Here's what it looks like. Now, when I first got it, it still has kind of a smell. It does have a bit of a chemically smell. I am trying to kind of air it out a little bit because I believe these are going to end up going to one of my coworkers' daughters, who is that preteen kind of thing and likes playing with makeup, so hopefully she'll like them, but I also want to make sure that the smell kind of goes away before I do that to her. Now, these retail for $29.99, and I'm going to take out one of the brushes so you guys can see them. And I will leave it up to you whether you feel that the $29 value is appropriate, but they are definitely cute. Synthetic brushes, and yeah, it fits the theme. I'm not sure. And like I said, I do feel that she would like them. Before I give them to her, though, I want to make sure the smell is gone, as well as clearly I'll look to sanitize everything just in case, because I'm a stickler. So those are cute. The next thing I got is from NCLA, and this is a cuticle oil. Let's see, because there's little cute hearts in there. I'm going to try to get them so you guys can see. There you go. And this retails for $18 right off the bat. If you guys like the smell of rose, this will be nice. If you guys do not like the smell of rose, then you are not going to like this because that's all you smell. So again, it fits the theme. It's very cute, but that rose smell is going to be a hit or miss for some people, I can already tell. And again, this is $18, just in case I didn't say it. The next thing I got is from Tallulah, and this is a So Poreless deep exfoliating blackhead scrub. This retails for $32. Let's show you the little tube. I'm quite a fan of Tallulah skincare, so hopefully it's okay. Sometimes exfoliating can be, sometimes the formula can be a little bit rough, so hopefully this one's not bad. I want it to be efficient but not crazy kind of thing. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. And again, $32. The next thing I got is from Wander Beauty, and this is a double date lip and cheek balm. The packaging looks like. And let's show you what the balms look like. Cute little packaging. And the first color is a nice kind of peachy color. And then the next one is just a clear. So we'll see. I'm going to play around with it. I normally don't do a lot of creams on my cheeks. I'm definitely a powder blush girl, but it's cute. It looks like it's a nice travel size kind of thing too. That retails for $22. And I believe the final thing I got, which was my choice, from Ace Beauty, this is the Nostalgia palette. Here's what the box looks like. Oh, that lighting. Sorry. This is what I used on my eyes today, so hopefully you guys can see it. Let me show you the colors. Oh, that lighting, come on. I'm trying to do this in the morning, but we'll see. I do really like the colors in this palette. Now, when I did use this, it was very powdery. Some of the orange shades were a bit patchy, which I do really like the colors in here. Sorry, I couldn't think of the word, which tells you something. I do like the colors in here. The oranges were a bit patchy, and this retails for $38.99. So for the price, I was kind of hoping for a little bit more. Now, Ace Beauty is a hit or miss with me. Sometimes I love their products. Sometimes I'm like, eh. And this right now is a Again, I do like the eye look I came up with, but it was more work than I was anticipating. So yeah, I'm gonna still play around with it. I think I used maybe 5 or 6 colors. So there's clearly more. So I want to see, and I'll let you know when I use the palette. But first impressions, very powdery and more work than I thought it was going to be, especially for almost $40. So yeah, we'll see. And if you guys love this palette, that is amazing. And I'm not trying to, say anyone's opinion is horrible or wrong. That's my impression. So yeah, just a quick reminder that you are beautiful, you are loved, you are strong. And if today's not a good day, that's okay. All I can do is try. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.